Woo! Hey guys, what are you doing? Hanging out? Say hi, Matt.
Hi.
This is me and Matt. We're done training. So it's time to eat. Well, we just got done eating. Just ate at Famous Dave's. Good stuff. I'm totally off beat. Just wanted to give you guys a how do you do and make sure that I hope you guys all had you had a good 4th of July. Matt, did you have a good 4th of July? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good? Okay. Matt had a good 4th. I had a good 4th. Ate enough food, made myself sick, which I usually do. And ate enough here, made myself sick, but whatever. I wanted to do a quick reminder that High Desert Pioneer is doing a contest, and so is OIF Eagle. Just a reminder, you guys should show your support to those guys. They work real hard on their videos, a lot harder and do some great content. I definitely encourage you guys to go check them out. I will leave their channel links down below, and look for their contest video. OIF's giving away a lower AR-15 receiver, and High Desert Pioneer's giving away something to do with heavy metal. He still hasn't really given it up, so you guys should check that out. But this is Trevor and Matt. Say bye, Matt.
Bye.
And we're out of here. Take care, guys. Woohoo!